Welcome to Nifty Trade Set channel. So we'll discuss what we had planned for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Reliance for today, and what can we expect from the market tomorrow. So this is the channel we talk about Nifty 100 points, Bank Nifty 250 points, and Reliance 20 points for a daily market analysis. So let's start with analyzing our charts that we usually do it for Nifty. Let's start with it. So market, we said it is like this is what I could see. 21,420 is the target that I'm seeing gap down. Then we need to really wait for market to take a price action. We are saying it, but it opened target, so really could not really see that immediately how to take the trades. And then yeah, that next trade was possible like when the market opened here and then bounced, and the first simple reversal game from here, exactly 100 points market game. Yeah, if you had seen this one, but we did not plan for it, so I am not capturing anything here. But the real trade is available. Once it reverse simple reversal, we could see 100 points from here. After that, yeah, even this could have been possible, but we cannot plan these trades all. Right, so what I would say is tomorrow, like we can discuss tomorrow what is possible. So looks to be tomorrow might be gap down or gap up, may not be like that heavy that we are seeing for last 2 days. Because if you see this day chart, this candle that has formed today is like kind of a doji. It has formed a spinning candle. So the direction would be like whichever direction the candle, whichever the wick it breaks, possibilities that the market is going to go that side only. So I would say that for in a 5 minute chart, if I see that tomorrow by tomorrow, if market comes above this one 21,543 either by gap up or by flat, and if it comes and closes above and sustains for 30 minutes above these points, definitely we are looking for buy trend continuing hereafter. Market will continue to go further, and definitely for tomorrow's target can be for 21,770 if the market can sustain 30 minutes above this 21,550. So definitely we can expect this target or at least 100 points for tomorrow. This is one trade. But if any chance market, since it is downtrend, if market comes below or gap up, gap down or flat, coming and closing below 21,420, we can expect market coming to the today's low, definitely 100 point or more than that. This is what I could see. These are the two trades. The buy scenario is only possible above this one if it is 30 minutes candle closing above this one. Otherwise, the simple would be like sell scenario would be like if it crosses 21 420, that is one scenario. If it is gap available not able to close and gets rejected, then also you can see a selling coming down. So this is about Nifty. So let's look at Bank Nifty, what we had discussed. So I think we discussed the maximum target we are seeing today is this box target that we are already drawn, and I had mentioned this is the target for today, and market open there only. So not a good trade. I could take it in the direction of our major direction. We could take it. Yeah, that could have been possible only like if you had drawn a trend line. It was in a channel. Market was moving in a channel, and then it once it break, probably you can could have taken that. So this is what it was moving, right? So one second, I'll draw the channel. Yeah. So this was the channel. So once the channel is broken, we can see the market coming down. So market gave and came touched this bottom again. So this was the one trader that was possible in the direction of the major direction of the market. So which is quite good, more than 20 to 50 points definitely it has given. And for tomorrow, what we can expect is similar to like Nifty. If the market flat or gap up opens and closes about 46 180 above and holds it for 30 minutes, definitely we can expect target. Immediate target is 46 47,000. We can expect easily 47,000 will be reaching tomorrow itself. But if anything below this point is 46 to 100, anything below this is going to be sell scenario only. We'll be looking for only buy scenarios that only above this point we'll look for buy scenario. Otherwise, we'll need to look for the sell scenario. And if there is a gap down like below this today's low, definitely we can go for a short. Yeah, market will go for another 300 points, something like that, 250 points. We can definitely look for it. So we talked to three, four scenarios for Bank Nifty. One gap up above this point, go for long. This is the only long scenario I'm seeing it, and we can expect 250 points definitely. And if gap up and then could not close it, this one sees rejection here. Go for short immediately. We'll be seeing this bottom again. And if it is not, if it is flat and continue go down and closes below today's low, we can expect market again going down, gap down on the same scenario. If it closes below this point, we can again see 250 points market going down. So this is about Bank Nifty. And for Reliance, if you see this, it gives the pattern becomes much more valid if you see this like this actually. So you can see the fourth point, I was saying that always that if it crosses, definitely we can look for 20 points for today. So yeah, in market when it closed, it almost gave 20 points actually. From here you can see like so 23, 24 to 15 points it has given till here actually. But yeah, before that, I said if it closes below this one, we can go for short. But market, since it is travel so much, it has again started giving kind of what is it, random moves and then close this one. So this pattern was very clear in 30-minute time frame. So if you see that we don't see that market could close this point really well in this time frame actually. So there was a small stop loss, but this was the good entry. If it since once it breaks this trend line, it went and gave 15 to 20, 15 points actually. For tomorrow, it's again like similar to like Nifty and Bank Nifty. If market can uh, for 5 minute can close about 27, 41, 42. If we can close above this one, definitely we can look for 20 points market moving up. And if it is below this one, today's low, gap down, again we can see market going down for 20 points. Definitely it has to go below close, then only we can look for short. And definitely above this one. So this is going to be non trading zone for clients more. Majorly I'm looking for is gap up or flat and closing above this one so that we can go for long. This is about lens. So I have captured this in the slide exactly that what so gap down I need to open our at our target which is 21 21 420 was the 21 420 was the target. So it opened there and then after that it small bounce, it gave a reversal and gave 100 point, but did not go as per our plan. So this is what I just mentioned here. And tomorrow I said a gap up about 21550. If we can sustain 30 minutes at this level, we can go for long and then 100 points. Flatten gap down below 21 415. We can expect market going to 21 280 for the target. So this is what I have it for today, and hope we are able to see this analysis clearly and be able to take trade for this one of these scripts. And if you like this analysis, you can like this video, subscribe this channel if you have not done so, and also encourage your friends to join this channel so that they can also learn and able to take the trades in this in market. Thanks for watching this video.